Hello, welcome in the 7 Days of Code with React Native course. My name is Philip and I am the instructor of this course. In this preview, I will first show you the practical presentation of the application we will work on, and later I'll be talking about the requirements for this course. Let's start. What are we going to build will be the application for tracking activities. As you can see, we will have very simple layout. There will be displaying the current date, button to check the tutorial, activity panel, and the panel to display all of the activities. The main functionality of the application is to track an activity. So when I will choose the activity, I can simply swipe it to the right side, and this will activate the activity, and the time will be increasing. When I will swipe the activity back to the left side, this will stop the tracking process. It will be displaying the no activity up here. The time will be updated of the activity, and it will be saved also in the storage. So next time we'll visit the application, the times will be updated. The next feature of the application is to add new activity. So I can click here this button, and this will add new activity. I just need to choose here the name, for example, learn C++. Confirm, and this will be added in the end of the list. Again, I can track the activity, I can stop tracking the activity. While the activity is being tracked or not being tracked, I can visit the activity by double tapping the activity. So I can double tap and this will visit the activity, and you can see the timer is updated. When I will visit the other activity, here it is. The time is not updated because this activity is not active one. I will go to learn C++. What I can do here, I can change the title, and I change the description. For example, I can clear edit. This will turn into the inputs. I will write here exclamation marks, for example, and here start learning today. All right, and you will see this will be updated. I will click here confirm, and it's updated. I will go back, and it's updated also on this screen. Now let's get back to the learn C++, and while the activity is tracked or untracked, that doesn't really matter. I can delete the activity. So when I will decide I don't want this activity anymore, I will click here this button. All right, and this will display the prompt. I need to confirm or cancel. I cancel. This will go back. When I will confirm, this will delete the activity, and you will see the activity is gone. Now, as I told you, this is being stored in the storage. So while the tracking is going on, we will see the time is updated, and when I will decide to go back here and close the application and go back to the application, this will be stored. So I will start when I have a left off. So learn C#, and you can see the time is being updated 120, 121, and so on. I'll also have a tracking process, and I will show you the tutorial. So the tutorial will be an additional feature we'll be working on. When you will click on the check tutorial, it will open the tutorial window, and it will show you the preview of how to use the application. So this will be animation, how we can activate the activity. The next step will be animation, how we can deactivate the activity. And the final step will be animation, how we can double tap the activity to see the detail page. And here you have it. That's all the feature we'll be working on. Of course, we'll be covering more stuff in the lectures. Code-wise, I will show you right now, we'll be implementing lots of code. There will be lots of components we'll be working on, and lots of things we'll implement in these 7 days. So we'll have the activity components. We'll have here some override components of button, views, modals, rows. So we'll create screens for home screen and tutorial screen, and all of this will be covered in a 7 days. And because it is covered in 7 days, I want to show you how to transform your idea into the final product. This course is not very suitable for beginner developers. That's the requirement. You should be already familiar with the JavaScript or with React Native in order to follow this course. Of course, you can subscribe to this course even though you're a beginner, but you will probably have a hard time. I'm pretty responsive in the Q&A section, so if you want to still try it out, you can go on and you can ask as many questions as you want in the Q&A. So I don't want to discourage you. That's gonna be it from the course preview. I hope to see you around. I hope you like the application you will be working on. And with this, cheers.